start with the first one now. Rainforest sculpting, Cooktown. Oh my god, that's tiny. Hello. Hello. Ooh. Ooh, someone's very active. Come on. What are you doing? What are you doing, little one? Oh, you're a little cutie, aren't ya? Ooh. What a little cutie. Oh, well. Look at that. Look at that. Woof, woof. They can move quick when they want to. When they want to, they can move very, very quickly. And they can teleport like a tarantula. Look at that. Very fast. Oh, what a little cutie. Alright, look. I'm going to put you in your new home. There you go. There you go.